Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through weather stripping doors and windows. Not the whole job, but the teaser version. Enough that you can decide whether this is a Saturday of $30 fixes that save you $1,000 a winter, or whether you've got a bigger envelope problem. Here's the scene. You sit in your favorite chair in January, and there is a cold draft across the floor. Your heating bill is climbing every year. You put your hand by the front door jamb, and you can feel the outside coming in. Your windows rattle when the wind hits them. Air leaks around doors and windows are the single biggest energy waste in most houses. But before you buy a single roll of anything, here's the single biggest mistake I see homeowners make. They weather strip every door in the house on general principle. You don't need to. You need to find the actual leaks. Light a stick of incense. Close every interior door. Turn on the range hood and every bathroom fan to put the house under negative pressure. Hold the incense along each door and window edge. Where the smoke gets pulled sideways, that is your leak. Mark it with tape. Now, here's what the job actually looks like. For a casual interior door, peel and stick foam tape along the jamb. $5, 5 minutes, lasts a couple of years. For a door you use every day, V-strip is the step up. Peel the backing, apply to the inside of the jamb with the V opening facing the door. The V flexes and seals every time the door closes. $10, lasts 5 years. For the bottom of any exterior door, a screw-on door sweep. Measure the width. Cut the aluminum channel with a hacksaw. Screw it to the interior side of the door bottom so the flap just kisses the threshold. For double-hung windows, spring bronze or V-strip goes in the sash tracks while the window is open. Then you test. Close the door on a sheet of paper. Pull. If it slides out easy, the strip isn't contacting. If it grips, you're sealed. The mistakes that waste the afternoon. Weather stripping a door that isn't actually leaking. Using foam tape where compression seal belongs. Caulking a window sash that's supposed to slide, or weather stripping a trim joint that's supposed to stay fixed. Forgetting to clean the jamb with alcohol before the adhesive goes on, which means it peels off in a month. And one more thing, if you weather strip and the door still shows a gap you can see daylight through, stop. That is not a strip problem. That is a door that has sagged or a frame that has moved, and you need to rehang the door before you seal around it. For the full step-by-step, the product comparisons, the window specifics, and the annual maintenance list that keeps the seals working, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.